You have often heard stories or seen videos of Amazon packages being stolen from a porch by a random package thief walking off the street. That is nothing compared to what goes on inside an apartment complex. The porch is the doorstep to your apartment. The street is your building hallway. And that random package thief is most likely your next door neighbor. And packages disappear all the time. If your leasing office does accept packages on your behalf, their business hours or your working hours, and you have to wait until the weekend to pick up your package. Beyond using Amazon Locker for Amazon packages, sending packages to a FedEx or UPS store, and renting a post office box for everything else, there are a few alternatives for apartment residents. That is where the Amazon Hub comes in. My name is cdreimer and welcome to my channel. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell to see more videos like this. My apartment complex ran in the new year with an Amazon Hub at the mailbox courtyard. The Amazon Hub operates the same way as the Amazon Locker that you see at retail locations. When your Amazon package arrives at the Amazon Locker, you get an email notification, and you can pick up your package at your convenience within 3 days. Unlike the Amazon Locker, the Amazon Hub is available in neutral colors like blue, gray, or white, accepts Amazon and non-Amazon packages from all carriers, and is accessible only by apartment residents. If you are interested in checking out the Amazon Hub, the website address can be found in the description below. The outdoor Amazon Hub at my apartment complex is huge, being approximately 18 feet long, 2 feet deep, and 7 feet tall. That includes a starter hub with touchscreen panel and 42 compartments, and 4 expander hubs with 23 compartments each. With 134 compartments for 300 apartments, this Amazon Hub replaces the 8 package lockers from the post office at the same location. The smallest package that the Amazon Hub can take is a thick catalog envelope. The largest package that the Amazon Hub can take is this 22 by 17 by 10 box for a new backpack, which filled up one of the large compartments. You will need to have or sign up for an Amazon account to register with the Amazon Hub website, verifying both your email address and apartment address. You don't need to be an Amazon Prime member, and there are no additional fees to use the Amazon Hub. In fact, the upfront costs are paid for by the leasing office, as the Amazon Hub is a win-win for everyone. Residents are no longer frustrated by stolen packages. The leasing office can get out of the package management business, and Amazon will save a ton of money and not having to ship out replacement packages. Since the Amazon Hub came online nearly 2 weeks ago, I get all my Amazon and non-Amazon packages without any problems. A package comes in, I get an email notification, and I pick up the package after I get off of work. If you live in a medium to large apartment complex, an Amazon Hub might be in your future. Thank you for watching.